Hi, this is another thing I wanted to show you because it is essential for our home. Many of you know I have a special needs daughter, has special needs when it comes to food and cleanliness and how to make it. So this is our MicroPro grill. It can be used for grilling things that I won't mention because they have to do with animals, or things like hash browns, sandwiches, paninis, all kinds of stuff. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of our hash browns in here. There's nothing in there. I'm going to set this. This is called grill mode. So the plate here actually touches the food and helps to brown it. If I was making a casserole with like cheese on top, of course vegan cheese, let's be honest, then I would put it in this position and it's resting on the edge here, and that allows some steam to escape. Anyway, so I'm going to put this in grill mode. I'm going to put it in the microwave and I'll come back to you when it's done. Okay, so I've had these in the microwave for 8.5 minutes. Now the sides have stay cool sides. The top gets hot. Here are hash browns from the microwave. Look how crispy those are. Non-stick. This is going to be so easy. All we have to do is wipe it out with a paper towel and it's ready for the next food. So you might ask, Nicole, you can make hash browns in your stove or your toaster oven. Let me explain something. My daughter, like I said, is special needs. She will not touch an oven. This, she'll do. Okay, so I just took the hash browns out. The other thing that my daughter can eat is mini pizzas like this. Yes, it has cheese on it. All my vegan buddies. My daughter scrapes off the cheese after it's cooked. She can't eat it either. So because this has cheese, I am going to put this in the casserole position, okay? Then the top doesn't have the direct heat. It has the indirect heat. So we'll put this in and see how that is. All right, so I've had my daughter's pizza in here. I actually ended up changing over to grill mode because we want the top to look like that so that she can easily scrape the cheese off. Now this has been in so far, it was 3.5 minutes on grill and then 30 seconds, or 3.5 minutes on casserole, 30 seconds on grill mode. Take a look at the bottom of this pizza. Perfect, not burned. This is going to easily scrape off. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. My daughter can do her own dishes. Isn't that awesome? Seriously. This is going to be so great. I can't wait.